Unlocking the World of Currency, your guide to currency converters. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that touches the lives of travelers, international students, and global business people alike: currency converters. Whether you're planning a trip abroad, studying in a different country, or dealing with international transactions, understanding how to use a currency converter is essential. Let's demystify this tool and learn how it can be your best friend in managing money across borders. A currency converter is a digital tool or application that calculates the exchange rate between two different currencies. In simpler terms, it tells you how much one country's currency is worth in another country's currency. This tool is invaluable for anyone needing to exchange their money for a foreign currency, as it helps determine how much foreign currency you'll receive for a certain amount of your home currency. Understanding the exchange rate is crucial because it fluctuates regularly based on the global economic landscape. Using a currency converter ensures you're informed about the current rate, allowing you to budget wisely while traveling, make informed decisions on when to exchange money, avoid unexpected costs from outdated rates. Using a currency converter is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. 1. Select your currencies. Choose your home currency and the foreign currency you want to convert to. 2. Enter the amount. Input how much money you want to convert. 3. Convert. The converter will display the equivalent amount in the foreign currency based on the latest exchange rates. Remember, some converters also offer features like historical rate graphs, which can be helpful for predicting future rate changes. To get the most out of a currency converter, keep these tips in mind. Check regularly. Exchange rates can change quickly. Consider fees. Real-life conversions may include service fees or commission. Use converters that allow you to factor in these costs. Use reputable sources. Stick to well-known and reliable converters to ensure accuracy. We hope this guide has shed some light on currency converters and how they can simplify your financial transactions across countries. Whether you're a traveler, student, or business person, mastering this tool can save you time and money, making your international experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content soon. Safe travels and happy converting!